Greetings and welcome once again to Sports Card Heroes, coming to you practically live from Heroes Comics and Gaming in Louisville, Kentucky. My name's Steve. I am a card collector and butcher of names. Today we're going to break open a blaster box of 2019 Panini Prizm draft picks. So this is going to be all rookies in here. Of course, the main rookie we're looking for is Zion. I'm also looking for some of the Kentucky players, like Hero. There are 7 packs in here, 4 cards per pack. And get autographs, cards like that. Put that right back there. There's our 7 packs. And let's get to cracking. All right, first pack, we've got a RJ Barrett Crusade card. Dwayne Hernandez rookie card. Like I said, all these are going to be rookie cards. Darius Garland and Dylan Windler. Not a great first pack, but they all can be good. Cameron Johnson. Darius Garland. Did we just get a Darius Garland? Yes, we did. Oh, the Crusade. So we got Crusade and then his regular rookie card. Eric Paschal and Jalen Hands. Pack number 3. These blaster boxes are awesome. Just quick little breaks. You can get some good stuff in them. Nickeil Alexander-Walker. Chuma Okeke Crusade card. There we go. Zion. Ooh, that's a nice one. How the backs look. So we got exactly what we wanted. There's a nice Zion rookie card there. Last one's Grant Williams. 4 packs left. We can get a nice parallel or an autograph. This box would just be awesome. Jordan Poole, Admiral Schofield, Grant Williams, and Daniel Gafford. All right, Justin Wright Foreman, Carson Edwards, Jackson Hayes, and Ty Jerome. Is that a, no, it's not. Got none parallels yet. No variants. All right, Rui Hachimura, DeAndre Hunter, Jarrell Brantley, and Jarrett Culver. Last pack. Come on, let's get a Wildcat in this. At least give me a Wildcat. Give me a Hero. Jarrett Culver again. Cam Reddish. There we go. Matisse Thybulle. Got 1. And Nick Claxton. Well, I mean, wasn't the best box in the world, but Zion makes up for it. That is a beautiful card. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button down below. And subscribe, tell your friends. And thanks once again. Until next time, keep cracking those packs.